In this video of CSS, we are going to discuss about the very important concept using which we can give some very attractive look to our web page, and that is the images. Images, as I said, can give you a very representational information along with some decoration as well. So proper formatting of image is one of the very important tasks of a web designer. So let's see a practical implementation where we will pass some different styles to the images. So let's start a practical implementation. Alright, so now for putting the image, we know we will work with the img tag, and here we have the attribute called src where I will pass the URL of the image. Now to give some styles to this, I will use the style attribute as always, and then I will pass a couple of